Our solar system. Our solar system includes every celestial body that is locked into rotation around the sun, extending from the sun to the outer edge of the Oort cloud. However, today we don't care so much about everything in the solar system. Instead, we'll focus on Jupiter. In my opinion, Jupiter is one of the most beautiful planets, resembling some of Van Gogh's famous paintings. But there's also much this planet can teach us about our cosmic origins. Realizing this, in 2011, NASA launched the Juno spacecraft towards Jupiter with the mission to improve our understanding of the solar system's beginnings and revealing the origins and evolution of Jupiter. The mission will determine how much water is in Jupiter's atmosphere, which will determine which planet formation theory is correct, or if new theories are needed. Juno will look deep into Jupiter's atmosphere to measure composition, temperature, cloud motions, and other properties, and will also map Jupiter's magnetic and gravity fields, revealing the planet's deep structure. Finally, Jupiter will explore and study Jupiter's magnetosphere near the planet's poles, especially the auroras, Jupiter's northern and southern lights, providing new insight about how the planet's enormous magnetic field affects its atmosphere. According to Scott Bolton, the Juno principal investigator, the reason Jupiter is so interesting is that after the Sun formed, Jupiter was the first planet. And so, when we want to go back and try to understand how planets were made, Jupiter kind of represents that first step. Jack Kernerney, Juno's deputy principal investigator, describes one of the most interesting aspects of the Juno mission, saying that Jupiter is a gaseous planet, hydrogen helium. There is no magneticized crust, unlike here on Earth, that would obscure our view from the dynamo deep below. The interesting part about the Jupiter mission is that we'll be able to image for the first time the magnetic field on the dynamo surface in a way that would never ever be possible on Earth.
Juno, welcome to Jupiter.
On July 4th, 2016, nearly 4 years and 11 months from its launch, Juno reached Jupiter's orbit and began studying the planet's origin and internal structure, just to name a few. The mission's end date isn't until July 2021, and in my opinion, this is the most interesting mission being conducted by NASA, which may result in rewriting science textbooks everywhere.